that way. It's really hard to tell where to go because Ben's phone has got so many cracks on the screen. I'm starting to think that the sat nav's taking me like all over the place. A cracked screen on a map is a really like bad idea. We are here in Evesham at the Dogs Trust today. Sometimes this job gives you opportunities where you just can't turn down, and today is one of those. We've scraped ice off the van, we've got up early, we can see our breath. It is cold here in this January weather, but filming dogs makes everything better. So the Dogs Trust have a new programme called the Foster Carer Programme, and they want to promote it. So they called us, and now we're on the case. So we literally put on the call sheet, which is a document we make every time we film, we can't take any of the dogs home because they're just so damn cute. We're filming puppies. That is our job right now, to film a lot of puppies. It's a really difficult job, to be honest.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Dogs. They're crazy dogs. You can't keep them still. Look at them. They're just mental. I've been brutally attacked. No, I can't really say that.
The dogs are really nice, we promise.
Yeah. Ben has been harassed by puppies.
Yeah.
They wouldn't leave him alone.
Can we use harassed?
I don't know. Attacked. Harassed sounds better than attacked. All right, I'll think of something else. Yeah, we might just put a load in the van and see if we can just get away with it and just hang them in there. Tom's over there doing some filming. We're filming beagles that came from an experimental lab, and they were really timid and they never stepped on grass before they came here. And then you got other dogs that are just mental and they'll just do anything, and so they've had a good time, we've had a good time. Still got a bit more filming to do. Apparently a dog in there loves to get hugs in the kennel, so we have to film that. Isn't it a tough job?
Yeah, that slow motion video of the dog that can't catch you.
Yeah, is that what you're hoping for?
Dogs you cannot dodge.
Dog!
Looks happy.
When these two aren't looking, I'm just going to take one.
I can't focus if you keep moving so fast, dude.
You think you're running bum.
So yeah, we want to say thanks to the Dogs Trust for giving this opportunity to us, and happy January. Oh my god, they found their new friend again.
Tell me how good life is right now, Mike.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Things are looking up. Well done for filming. You get a good pass.
Tom, why don't you like dogs?
I haven't said I don't like dogs. I just haven't touched any.
Come on, this one. Here we go. Get out the one.
Here we go. This is the way.
Have you stolen a dog? Have you?